Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IoT based environmental monitoring system using Arduino and cloud app. So here we are using total 7 sensors. I am using temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor, rain sensor, MQ6, MQ9 and MQ135, LPG gas sensor, carbon monoxide sensor, air quality sensor, and GPRS. We are sending the data to cloud, and 16 cross 2 LCD display RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 is also available. You can add one more sensor also. And here we are using one Android app. So if you want to see the chart, so we can see the charts also. So what are the sensors data on the chart? Okay, go to environmental monitoring. So go to humidity, moisture, MQ6 chart. If you want to see the MQ6 chart, the MQ6 sensor chart, environmental LPG gas monitoring system chart. Okay, and air quality chart, carbon monoxide, air quality, and rain sensor. If you want to see the sensors parameter values, you can see the temperature, humidity, soil moisture, MQ6, MQ9, MQ135, and rain, and date and time. Okay, so here we are using total 7 sensors, and let us coming into the power supply module. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So this is for 4 sensors, and this is for only MQ6, MQ9 and MQ135 sensor purpose. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED. So here we are using GPRS internet on the remote sensor data monitoring, remote area sensors monitoring. So we are using Airtel SIM card. Okay, so here also bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED, max 232 IC, and here also max 232 IC. So LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor, MQ6 LPG gas sensor, MQ9 CO2 sensor, MQ135 air quality sensor, and rain sensor we are using extra. Okay, so you can add one more sensor also in this project. So here is the A6. There are no pin connection, output is not there, so I soldered with the A6 16 cross 2 LCD display. Now let's start with power supply. IoT based environmental monitoring system and GPRS testing. GPRS connected, test message CGATT. Okay, GPRS serial and GPRS3 serial came, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, and internet also came. T for temperature, H for humidity, S for soil moisture, MQ6, MQ9, MQ135, and rain. Okay, so one by one it will taking. After every 10 counts it will update the data, but meanwhile I am increasing the temperature to take the alerts. Temperature 30, room temperature it is coming, temperature is 70. So next time it will come the output, temperature set point is 60, and it is temperature is above 70, 71. Web page sending. Okay, now it is temperature is 27, it goes to 71, 71 or 72. Okay, yeah, 71. Okay, yeah, 71. Okay, H for humidity. Now I am giving the gases, MQCO. Yeah, LED output came here. H for MQ9 233. 233. Okay, 227 sending data to web page. Okay, MQ9 it will change, MQ9. Okay, 117 came. Over temperature alert came. Okay, I will go for one more time. Send completed. Send okay. Humidity. Humidity. So I will drop the water. On rain sensor. Okay. Soil moisture sensor into water. Okay, rain is 153. Rain 1, it will come 153. Yeah, 153. Okay, 82, 41. The soil moisture 190. Soil moisture is water. Okay, and we were getting the alerts also, SMS alert, and by the way same time we will get email alerts also. Email alerts. Okay, promotions. Yeah, soil moisture alert, moisture sensor alert. And meanwhile we can see the spam also, temperature alert. Okay, spam. Okay, G Venkat soil moisture alert. Okay, go to app. Okay, so the values are coming step by step. Okay, temperature, water, rain. So we will go for MQ6. MQ6 233. 230. Yeah, 230. Okay, it came 230. MQ6 and MQ9. Okay, SMS alert came, MQ6, high MQ6 alert. Okay, And moreover these two also come, I already checked that. Okay, 255, 230. Okay, GPRS module max 232, LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor, rain sensor, and MQ135 air quality, MQ9 carbon monoxide, and MQ6 LPG gas sensor, and 16 cross 2 LCD display. Arduino Uno R3 board. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.